Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a My Little Pony cake. So I've got a sheet cake here and I'm trimming the top off so that I can soak my cake with a syrup in whatever flavor I'm choosing to use for this cake. So for this cake I've used pineapple, and so I've got my pineapple pineapple simple syrup, and I'm just going to lightly soak my cake with the syrup. There we go. It's soaked. So I've whipped up some vanilla buttercream and I'm just gonna dab some on my cake layer. So I'm gonna spread it out with my spatula. I'm not gonna add too much because I'm gonna put some pineapple filling on it, and I'm gonna just, with my piping bag, I'm gonna put a border around so that my pineapple filling does not leak out of my cake. So that's my pineapple filling. Spread it out evenly. There we go. That's it. Now we just have to repeat the same thing on my second layer of cake. Same thing, soaking the syrup and adding some buttercream on, and put on the pineapple filling. Right. So I've just put my next layer on, the last layer. Here I've got some straws that I'm going to use as my support for my cake. And now for crumb coating my cake. So I've just got some more vanilla buttercream, and I'm just going to put a little bit of buttercream all over the cake, and I'm just going to crumb coat my cake so my next layer of buttercream can go in. So I'm just going to crumb coat it and leave it in the fridge for about half an hour before I take it out and do my next layer on. So I've got some blue buttercream here that I am smoothing it out with my spatula at the beginning. And I've got a cake smoother, and I'm just going to slightly smooth that over as well. And then I'm going to heat up some water, and I've got my spatula. So I've used my spatula in this, while it's hot. Wipe it over and just slowly smooth over the cake so my buttercream comes out really smooth. As you can see, the sides are and the top are now really smooth. So next I'm getting to my rainbow that's gonna go on the cake. So I've got a little bit of colored fondant with me, and I've used this template. It's a cake card that I've cut up like a rainbow, and I'm using some royal icing here to make sure my fondant sticks to my cake card, and rolled it out and put some royal icing on it, and then just start off with the colors. So I'm going with pastel colors for this one, and as you can see, it's pink, not red. There we go. My next layer goes on: the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, and the purple. So for the faces left, I'm just gonna do a little bit more so it looks more colorful and looks like there's more layers of rainbow on it. And that's it. That's my rainbow done. Now for the next layer. So I've got some green buttercream that I've just piped on the bottom, and I'm using a paintbrush to just stroke it over to make it look like grass. And I've got more green buttercream that I'm going to do longer stems for my lavenders. So I've got some purple buttercream now that I'm piping it for it to look like lavenders. There we go. Yeah, that's it. So I've got more of some red buttercream that I'm just gonna put small dots on to make it look a little bit more prettier, and all over the side of the grass. That makes it look a little bit more appealing. And I've just piped a little bit of border on top of my cake. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't record it because I don't know why it just didn't record. So I put my rainbow in my cake, and I've just made a small balls out of fondant, and I just laid on to make it look like clouds. I've got these My Little Pony stickers that I've sticked skewers onto, and that's my cake topper. So I've got different kinds of My Little Ponies, and just stick them on your cake. And that's the last one, and that's it, guys. That's My Little Pony cake. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you, guys, and see you next time.